Everything I ate at dinner on night 1 of the cruise. Red Indian chicken curry. 10 out of 10. Mushroom risotto. 10 out of 10. Pan-seared sole with lemon butter sauce. 7 out of 10. Lasagna. 6 out of 10. Tiramisu. 7 out of 10. Key lime tart. 8 out of 10. Coffee infused custard. 5 out of 10. Vanilla ice cream. 10 out of 10. Coffee with cream. 9 out of 10. Jazz band. 10 out of 10. Ryan James. 10 out of 10. BBQ chicken pizza. 10 out of 10. Cheese pizza. 10 out of 10. Dancing off the calories. By Little Chef. Everything I ate at Kokake. Jerk chicken. Cheeseburger. Philly cheesesteak. French fries. Cheers. Corn. Chomp chomp. Digesting in the sun. The friends did a fanny pack exchange. Tactical snacks for the chef. Taco fanny with cup holder.
Your fanny pack.
Spam with a face fanny.
Nice.
Rainbow llama fanny.
Beautiful work.
Ice cream cones. Heading back to the boat for more food. Hot tubbing. Watermelon mint lemonade. Cute towel animal. Dance off the calories. Cheese pizza. Pepperoni pizza. Roast beef Sammy. Coffee. Volleyball tournament. Giant pool. Surfing. By Little Chef. Everything I ate on my cruise. Donut and chocolate croissant. Fruit plate. Bagel and lox. Eggs Benedict. Fried chicken. Waffles. Mimosas. Mimosa number 2. Pepperoni pizza. I scorched my mouth. Burrito. Second breakfast. Bagel and lox. Fruit plate. Egg bowl. Donut number 2. Coffee. Bran muffin. Freaky artwork. Rating everything I ate at dinner on night 2 of the cruise. Caesar salad.
Okay.
8 out of 10. Escargot. 10 out of 10. Like snaily butter. Wedge salad. 6 out of 10. Butternut squash soup. 10 out of 10. French onion soup. 10 out of 10. I could live on soup. Chicken korma. 17 out of 10. Beef tenderloin. 9 out of 10. Braised beef. 8 out of 10. Coffee. 10 out of 10. Apple crumble. 12 out of 10. Puff of cream. 7 out of 10. Chocolate cake. 4 out of 10. Cream brulee. 3 out of 10. Dancing off the calories. By Little Chef. Everything I ate on day 3 of the cruise. Chocolate donut. Coffee. Omelette and bacon.
Sure did.
Double chocolate pancakes. Fruit for health. Bagel and lox. Turtles.
Wait, I want to touch them.
Chicken. Dove. Headed back to the boat, I'm hungry. Hawaiian pizza. Thai salad for health. Bacon and blue Sammy. Reuben Sammy.
Smells good.
Puff of cream. Coffee custard. Iced coffee. Rating everything I ate for dinner on day 3 of the cruise. Coconut shrimp, 8 out of 10. Pork steam buns, 9 out of 10. French onion soup, 10 out of 10. Indian chicken curry, 1000 out of 10. Grilled shrimp, 7 out of 10. Squirrel? No, it's just a party. Blueberry cobbler, 0 out of 10. Ice cream, 10 out of 10. Pineapple cake, 5 out of 10.
Thank you.
Carrot cake, 9 out of 10. Coffee, 8 out of 10. Mango daiquiri, 16 out of 10. Dance off those calories. The Beatles. Bumper cars. Soccer. Hawaiian pizza. 10 out of 10. Lemon cookie.
No.
1 out
Not
of
good
10.
cookie.
Puff of cream.
No.
1 out of 10.
Chocolate crumble thing.
Blueberry crumble cake. 4 out of 10. Everything I ate on day 4 of the cruise. Bran muffin. Chocolate donut. Bacon. Exploring the caves in Jamaica. Went up in this thing. Tikka masala. Beef stew. Sweet and sour pork. Rice. Potato. Lentil curry. Spinach and cheese manicotti. Garlic chicken. Salad for health. Chocolate chip cookie. Coffee ice cream. Dulce de leche puff of cream. Strawberry shortcake. Cheese Danish. Frosted donut. Hard-boiled egg. Towel animal. Bingo. Thai salad for health. Reuben Sammy.
The sale price is $300.
Pesto Sammy.
And
Cheeseburger. Mac and cheese. French fry. Chicken tendy. Pina colada. Rating everything I ate at dinner on night 4 of the cruise. Hummus and pita. Caesar salad. 9 out of 10. Fried seafood thing. 7 out of 10.
that I didn't get the
French
escargot,
onion
and Abby
soup.
wasn't here till
10 out of 10. Indian chicken curry. 7 million out of 10. Braised lamb shank. 100 out of 10. Vegan moussaka. 1 out of 10. Coffee. 10 out of 10. Birthday tart. Brownie. 11 out of 10. Cheese plate. 8 out of 10. Flan. 3 out of 10. Apple cobbler. 7.5 out of 10. Champagne. 6 out of 10. The book. 10 out of 10. Ryan James. 10 million out of 10. Go follow him. Pepperoni pizza. 13 out of 10. Happy birthday.